On today's vlog, I'm gonna be
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog, we're going to be something super exciting. I'm going to be driving a sports car, and not just any sports car. It's a freaking Aston Martin, baby. So we are going to be shooting with it, collaborating, putting up reels on Instagram. So head to my Instagram channel to check out the final result. And this is going to be the first ever time I'm going to be driving a supercar. So I'm like super excited, more nervous, actually excited and nervous together. Lot of emotions happening right now. So we are right now headed on the way to, what's the fort called?
Penukonda Fort.
Penukonda Fort, which is somewhere near in Andhra Pradesh, and they're going to be teaching me first how to drive the car. So I'll take you guys through all of that. Let me introduce you to the team now. Mr. Tushar Anand,
Hi.
the President.
Vice President Aston Martin. She got it wrong twice.
First I called him CEO. Vice President of Aston Martin, Bangalore, Delhi, India, guys. Crazy guy. Sagar Bhatt, HCD Media CEO. Correct now.
Correct.
Yeah, so this guy is the reason the shoot is happening. He got us all together, and thank you, Tushar.
Thank you. Loving to collaborate. Also, she didn't give me credits.
Once I see the after result of this video, I will thank you, Sagar. Hopefully, I have confidence in you, but we'll see. Yeah, see you guys in the Aston Martin next. Bye. This beauty that you see here, guys, is the Aston Martin DB12 in Storm Purple. The second I saw it, I fell in love with the color first, and I can't believe this beauty is going to be the first sports car that I'm going to be driving. It's giving me straight up James Bond vibes, and I can't wait to drive this beast. Let's head straight to it. We are inside the Aston Martin right now, the DB12, and this is what it looks like. Stunner, not so stunner. Yeah, it's a two-seater, but like, what is this space for?
2 baby seats at the back.
Okay, so someone like me can sit in.
Correct. So Minal, this is your entire
Gearbox.
car. This is only gear.
Okay.
This is your difference. So you start. Okay. This is how you start the car. Keep your leg on the brake. This key has to be kept here.
Oh.
Specific area and all for this key is to be kept.
And after that, you can keep it anywhere.
No.
Okay, fantastic.
That's just let it be there. You start it. This is your temperature for your air conditioning. This lever. Push it down once.
When you're pressing the brake.
Yes. So you move into D.
Okay.
As you release your leg from the accelerator, your car starts moving forward. That's all. Now you have to just drive.
Yeah, but I shouldn't press the acceleration. No.
Right.
What if it goes fast?
Nothing will happen.
So that's what will happen maximum. It won't like.
No. It will. Yeah, it will go up. But you need to figure out how to judge the accelerators temperament. The car can push this way or that way. Okay, but you need to basically have control on how you are controlling the car. So you ideally
Which side is the
indicator is on the left.
okay.
Okay, there's only one thing here, nothing else for you. Clear?
Nothing else I need to know. That's
Nothing,
all.
nothing.
Basic, no car, regular.
It's just the control of the car.
Okay, got it.
Of course, there are a lot of features, sports, you put on the exhaust, sports mode.
No,
this
all
mode,
that.
No, I'm just saying. But the
Okay,
point
tell
of
me
me-
like if there's a speed bumper,
Yeah, but
just cross.
just cross.
Okay. What's the max speed on this?
It can go about 297 kilometers an hour. You just did 180.
Fuck.
No. Bugger, it's not that daft.
What is it? Minal way?
So Minal can drive, I'm saying, and that's why I'm going fast so that we can do the swap before you guys reach. Okay, bye. You give us one more Aston Martin, then we can catch up with you. If not, we can't catch up.
Is that the speaker?
Yeah.
What is it called? Bowers and Wilkins.
One of the best in the world. So that this alone is about 25-30 lakhs.
The speakers.
So you can buy a car for just picking the speaker. Literally.
Sounds like that only.
No, my Seltos and the speaker is the same price.
You know that cartoon?
Move the...
Dexter.
Hmm.
Ooh, what does this button do?
What does this button do?
What is this?
The sports exhaust.
And this?
Traction control. Stiffening your suspension.
Let me guess. Automatic off. The moment is here, guys. Woo!
Now, the seat adjustments are there.
I'm fucking scared.
Okay, Manal, are the mirrors okay for you?
No.
No?
This is what manually I can do. Or this is
Manually.
Hey, what the fuck? Who is this star guy?
No idea.
Yo, too much attention. This is grabbing.
Figure it out. Nothing will happen. Just don't break it, that's all. Okay? Your leg is on the brake. Are you comfortable? Like, do you
Yeah.
have enough thing to accelerate, brake, all of that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You have no visibility of the road, I'm assuming.
Let's go, Tushar.
Done. Just get a feel of it slowly first. Nothing. It's actually like a normal car.
I just need to be more higher.
That's all. So do you want to try and get more higher, or this is
How will I get more higher? It's not going on. I'll get that below.
below maybe? Just check the brake once. Check the braking. It's very different. Be on the left and check the braking. There are bikes coming. So you have to get a feel of the brake. How crisp the brake is.
Very smooth. Okay, so immediately when I apply, it won't happen. It goes like this.
Slightly. No, it does happen depending on pressure. So these brakes are all pressure sensitive.
Okay. This is only 60.
Hands here. No. Hand there, hand here. This is where you have to slow down. This is where you have exact control of controlling cars. The way you are holding it, you'll never have control.
Okay. This is like driving a normal car only.
Correct.
Only thing when it's just too powerful. Like I'm not even pressing the accelerator. Just
And it's going.
kissing it.
Be careful. This guy is an idiot. Avoid it. Accelerate. This is why I wanted to do this with you, because it's easy to bring you to a place and make you just do shoots. stand in front of the car, do one reel, put it up on Instagram.
See guys, this is what people think of influencers. That's all. Take one picture. It's my job to influence people.
Cool. Influence with Aston, no? Then next we put you on Ferrari. All no Porsche. Porsche also start asking you. All the brands will ask. Once Aston starts feel everything dimly.
Scares me actually. But Porsche also, I've not seen them do
Any
collab.
influence? Yeah, that's what.
Because the influencer has to drive it. Is that why they don't, or what?
Yeah. Nobody's got the guts to give an influencer a car. Now they'll get a passing shot of you. Yeah, I should actually go down a little so that it's completely
They'll
non-visible.
be like, oh, left hand drive.
Okay, now you can get your
Bus
shot.
is coming. Wait.
Dude, work is work, man. Yeah.
And what are you doing between work?
Me, eating. Very nice. Salted cashews. Would you like some, Minal?
No, I'm
It'll
good.
give you energy.
No, I had. No, I'm fine. We've
Yes.
reached the shoot location after 2 hours. Lighting seems a little harsh, but let's see what we can get. Check out the car. Let's freaking do this already. Scorching heat. I'm gonna be 2 shades darker after the shoot, but hopefully it's all gonna be worth it. Here?
Ready? Yeah. And action.
Okay.
Prabhas. Ready? And action. Everybody.
Wait a minute. Get it higher. I forgot the lyrics.
Wait a minute. No internet.
Wait a minute. Get it higher. Let it. Stand toes.
Wait. Congratulations on your new car. Don't move. Hold it.
Sweat master. How are you sweating? You're not sweating, no? No. Show your face. Oh my god.
Being
Sagar.
a director is not easy.
I'm getting full VIP treatment because I can't sweat and my dress is easily getting dirty. So Papa, it's like very very hot outside and it's not easy, dude. A photographer, videographers, so many people that's behind just one reel, right? Like you can just see there are 4 photographers and videographers. These 2 guys are from the Aston Martin team. That's Sagar, who's gonna like manage and tell them like how things need to be shot and how things need to be executed. Like we have certain visions in our mind. We don't have references. We do have certain references, but some shots that we want to take, we don't have references for it. So he'll be here and to like guide the driver who's going to be driving. Like entire time, it's not just me driving the car, right? There are the guys from the Aston Martin team, Tushar and Arjun. They are going to be like driving, and then you need to coordinate with them. It's a lot of work. I'm saying this because, you know, when people look at the reel, they don't really realize the amount of effort that goes behind it, and they're just like, most of the time that happens, like people keep hating on me for the fact that, you know, apparently people think that influencers get it easy. It's just one reel, it's just one video, but the entire day today we're just going to be shooting this one reel. So, and we started at like 8 a.m. and currently we're at 2 a.m. So, 2 p.m. sorry. So yeah, that's, just wanted to give you like a small BTS idea of what really happens. But I'm sitting in the car because I'm wearing like a white off-white dress and it's already a little stained, and we just took one shot of me, so it can't afford to like mess up the dress or my makeup or anything else. So perks. Let's go, guys. I'm ready to fucking roll. Huge deal for me. I'm driving this car alone. I can't believe this. But it's quite simple, I think, you know, driving this car. It's not any different than any other cars. I mean, if you are good at driving, that is. It definitely has a lot of power, has a lot of like, what do you call it, torque? I don't know, I could be wrong, but if you're good, if you're like well driven, if you know how to drive, then I think just know how to control this car. That's it. Control is the main thing. Currently it's 4:20, guys, and we haven't had lunch, we haven't done anything. Super hungry, but also I couldn't eat because like my tummy would pop out in the shoot. Already it's popping out, but what I wanted to say is that, girls, I used to think all of this while that, you know, I may not be able to drive a sports car. I know how to drive like really, really well. I've been driving ever since I was 16 years old. But yeah, not that I'm saying you should do this, but I just learned driving really early. My dad taught me how to drive and I just love to drive. And if you're like me, I think you would be easily be able to drive a sports car. You just need to like get the control or like learn how to get that control, and that you will only every time you drive. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got this experience, and it's just fucking sick, man. I'm driving, I'm in a fucking sports car all alone. What else do you need in life? I've accomplished. That's the keys. One second, I'll turn this car on, I'm dying. Saga, we have to keep this key in a certain way, right? No, like you need to place the key a certain way.
Keep here, it is here.
No, it was there, you have to.
Where is the key?
Here. Ah, yeah, see. Yeah. Dimbu. Okay, wait. Put AC, yeah. Ah, it's on. No, while sitting, I don't need that. Okay, sitting short. Only that legs thingy I need.
Yeah, the door show.
Yeah, what I'm saying, from under the door, no? Can you capture only my heels, like?
Step out.
Yeah,
Okay.
or step out and step in, whichever we'll use.
Yeah, we can reverse it. Yeah.
We'll shoot inside, Akshay, come. It's 6 p.m. guys. No lunch. I'm dead. Just want to go home, take the makeup off, take my makeup off. You can open this and sit behind, no babe? And this DB
There's a
too.
button. You go
Yeah,
safely
tell him.
and take one U-turn and come here.
How will I take U-turn, baby?
But go in front because there's a narrow road. Take U-turn and come back.
Okay. How can you go? Wait, give me this, give me.
Sit inside. Oh.
Why do they even
Careful,
have a
bro.
back seat?
You have to sell your house, my house, Minal's house also. No, don't put it in front.
No, like, okay, cool.
No, let for him to shoot, baby.
Okay, cool.
He needs space. Okay, be
What
safe.
am I gonna do?
You have your phone with you, right?
No, my phone's
You have
dead.
your phone?
No.
You guys have your phone with you? Charles, you have your phone? Okay, my phone's here then.
What am
Call
I
me.
supposed
Call
to do?
Charles if there's anything.
What am I supposed to do? Go there,
Nothing.
take a
You're
U-turn.
driving shots, so he'll get a shot where there things are moving in the background
Okay.
when you're driving slowly.
Okay, what do I need to do? Go
You
take a
don't
U-turn.
need to do anything. You just drive, go and come back. We'll be done. That's all.
Okay,
Correct now,
Yeah, that's
Akshay?
all. Let's go.
Safe. Be careful.
Go.
Yeah, let's go. Open both windows.
Down now.
Slowly.
Oh fuck, I have to wear seat belt.
Things can happen.
Check out the view and the road below. Damn. Are you going to come back alive, Akshay?
Yeah, we have done
Oh, we've done this before. Boys.
Ready?
Ready, steady, po. Oh, dude, this phone is not charging. Even active.
Speed is fine, right?
Yes, yes. Maintain the same speed.
Okay.
Don't kill anybody.
And come.
Okay.
Pack up!
Pack up.
Thank you, team, for bearing with us. Cheta Charles Abraham is very busy, but this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a hectic day for us. We're finally winding the shoot up at 6:30 p.m. I'll see you guys in the next vlog with more such entertaining vlogs and videos, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Don't forget to like, comment and share.
Seriously, yeah?